What is up, you guys? Back with another video. Today is finally the day that I put the hella horns on. They're sitting right here. I think the gold's gonna look really good on here. We got the gold badge. It's just gonna sit right in between that little black bar, whatever that is. Seems like it's plastic. You can see the stock horn right there. Yeah, it's gonna look really nice. So yeah, let's get this started. First thing, we gotta take off this bumper right here. I know there's clips underneath here. I'm missing some, but it's alright. And then there's a few clips that's underneath the hood, so I gotta pop the hood really quick. Yeah, so let's get this started. Okay, now that I got all the clips off, the 4 or 6 on the bottom, 3 on each side of the tire, and then the 4 on top. Now it's time to just wiggle off the bumper. Alright, as you can see, the bumper is off. You gotta be careful about these fog light wires if you have fog lights. You don't want them resting, just kind of hanging on the wire. Yeah, so there's a spider right there. As you're taking this off, these guys right here, they're all clipped into here, as you can tell. You just gotta be careful when you're pulling it off. You can tell I kind of struggle a little bit to get it off at first. Yeah, once you finally do manage to get it off, it's quite easy, but kind of pain in the butt at first. You just gotta pop these notches loose. As you can see right here, this kind of goes up into here, and then these clips sit in here so it sits flush. So now that's off, you gotta take off that horn and disconnect it from right there. So let's start that process. Alright, first things first, take the 12 mil and take off that one bolt. Alright, now that we got that bolt off, I'm just going to unclip this guy just like that. So I'm gonna take off this bolt right here. This is where we're going to put the bracket. Alright, and once that is done, you're going to have to take off these little brackets right here so you can mount it onto your bigger bracket. If you don't have a bracket, you don't have to do this, but it just makes it look cleaner. So yeah, go ahead and take those off. Alright you guys, as you can tell, I'm losing some daylight, so I kind of got to pick up the pace a little bit. So I got the Hella horns mounted. I put in my wiring harness. The positive and negative don't really matter. It's pretty much, the black is just grounding the horn itself, so as long as it's grounded, it'll be fine. So yeah, as you can tell, I got this cluster going on that will get cleaned up, but then I ran it up through right here. I got the black going on the black, and then I'm in the process of putting the red onto the red terminal. So once that is done, it should work. My wiring harness came with these two little prongs. Not exactly sure what that does, so we're gonna find out if it works here in a second. Alright, and now is the moment of truth, guys. Let's see if it works. Ready? Well, it works. Alright, so as you heard, the horns do work. Yeah, just gotta clean up this wiring a bit, put the bumper back on, and we should be good. So, got everything connected there, gotta clean it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it took a little while to actually make, but I don't know, I've been kind of lacking with holidays and everything, so yeah, make sure you guys hit the comment, subscribe, like button, do whatever. Enjoy the feedback as always. Anyways guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.